pencampwyr yn erbyn y tîm sy'n ar hyn o bryd yn drydydd. A mae hwnna'n bas hyfryd ar ymyl y cwr Cosby. A mae yna giw o chwaraewyr yna. Holmes di un ohonyn nhw. Y bêl mewn yn isel at y cwrt chwech. Yr ergyd dros y bar yn y diwedd. Yr ergyd gan Tom Holland.
Croesiad yn dod i fewn gyntaf, Tom Holland. Just methu cadw hon i lawr.
Holland eto. O, mae honna'n bêl hyfryd i Lwybr Draper. Arbediad da iawn gan Matthew Hall. Ardderchog. A Draper gafodd 4 gôl o'r wythnos diwetha yn agos at un arall yn y 3 munud agoriadol. Holmes y capten. Wall. 4 gan Wall. Dim di ddod ar Ritzenberg, na di, arbediad gwych, ac yn y diwedd mae Ritzenberg yn rhoi fi fewn, a pwy oedd yn creu, oedd Alex Darlington.
Wel, yn erbyn llif y chwarae, un cwestiwn o'n Holmes lawr o dde, mae'r peniad yn un da gan Darlington, penio i lawr, arbediad gan Harrison, ond mae'n adlamu syth yn ôl, bawnsio syth yn ôl i Lwybr Darlington, sy'n pasoi a draws y llinell gol.
Yn sydyn am y tro cyntaf nawr yma, mae yna sŵn yma. Mae'r dorf yn dechrau ymateb, mae'r bêl mewn at Draper, pwy sy'n gyntaf? Draper! Mae Draper, ond yna gyfle arall, rywsyd, mae'n cael ei chynio gan Miley. Yr ail ymdrech gan Ebe. A mae'r golwr Matthew Hall am yr eildro yn cadw'i dîm. Ar y blaen.
Mater o amser ydy bod y dyn yma, y golwr yma, Matthew Hall yn gadael Bangor i adran uwch.
Clark, Cobber, dim yn cam sefyll, sawl opsiwn ganddo fo.
Gwych o'r arbediad. Coelia fi, mae hon mwy dewr na'n un yn nhw. Mae'r golwr yn just aros, mae'n taro fod i win-up.
Y bêl gan Brobl, un ymdrech ola cyn yr egwyl falle at Craven. Craven yn cael ei groesod mewn Draper! A mae rywsut wedi aros allan o'r gôl, yn sicr dath i daro dan y bar, ddoth i lawr, a Hall gwirthiol.
Go iawn, un o arbedion gorau dwi erioed i weld yma yng Nghymru.
Mae hwnna'n bas dda gan Edward a Draper, a wyddwch chi pwy ddoth i'r adwy. Da chi'n gwybod yn iawn, fel mae wedi gwneud gydol y gêm, Hall yn drech na Draper. Mae'r bêl gan Spender mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Spender, Draper! Ac eto mae Hall yn achub, a mae'r peth yn anghredadwy. Mae'n anghredadwy a mae golwg Draper yn tamlinellu hynny. Be arall sy'n rhaid fod wneud i giro Matthew Hall?
Wel, fydd o'n deitha hyn wan, mae hwn dechrau mynd â nys i go iawn wan.
Listen, in general today, we would have wanted to play a lot better. There's no doubt about that. But at the end of the day, and at this stage of the season, it's all about getting the points. And if someone had said to us before today that we would win the game against TNS and get another 3 points, then we'd certainly have taken that. So we're obviously absolutely delighted with the win. We're disappointed, I still think, with the performance, and we were at half-time as well, even when we were ahead. But there we go. You know, it's about points over performance at this stage of the season.
Scott, was it just one of those days for you?
Yeah, I thought we played really well. You know, even first half and second half, we created chances early on, and then, you know, when the keeper makes that save off Greg at the end, you think we're not going to score today. Maybe one of those days, yeah.
It's the 4th consecutive time that you've been defeated here at Nant Park now as well. Is it starting to become one of those grounds for you?
No, because remember the 9-1, and we've had plenty of wins in the past against them. It's a nice place to come and play football. We enjoy coming here. Yes, we haven't done well in recent times, but it is one of those things. I think even with a mixed-up team today, I thought we played very well overall. And I thought there was only one team that really was looking to win the game. Even at 1-0 down, I thought we could still win the game.
Llongyfarchiadau ar y 3 pwynt, faint o her oedd y gêm yna pnawn yma?
Fydden ni'n gwybod ddim dod yn anodd, yr ogiad i gweithio mor galad, a fydden ni'n lwcus sgorio yn fuan, a dim ond ni dal ar wedyn am rhan mawr o'r gêm.
Oeddech chi'n teimlo dan fwy o bwysau fel oedd yr ail hanner yn mynd yn ei flaen hefyd?
Oedd, maen nhw bob tro mynd i asbels da ar y bêl, a oedden nhw'n pwyso. Mae nath nhw'n rocio defendio'n dda, a sa'n di gallu bod yma trwy nos, dim os na byd i pasio Math yn gol heddiw.
Dwi'n meddwl bod chdi'n iawn, Matthew. I mean, I think they threw everything but the kitchen sink at you. Have you ever had to make as many saves as that in a game before?
Probably not, to be honest. Luckily, I just managed to get in the way of a few, and it's one of them days.
And how big is that 3 points now, and what does it do for the team and the morale?
I mean, it's a massive 3 points. Always a tough game against TNS, and then hopefully that should stand us in good stead for the rest of the season. I'll kick on.
Well, and given everyone else's results this weekend as well, I mean, how significant are those 3 points?
They are significant, but nothing's done and dusted just yet. I still feel we need to certainly win another couple of games from now to the end of the season. If we do that, then we'll finish in a very strong position. But yeah, we're just, like I say, really pleased to have won today. But I think next week we're going to have to play a lot better to win the semi-final.